Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the MaytagRefrigerator crisper frame trim. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new crisper frame trim. The crisper frame trim is a decorative piece that covers up the front of the crisper frame. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged. In order to change out the part, we have to open up both refrigerator doors. Once you have the doors open, we're going to reach in and pull both the crisper drawers out. And then just reach up from underneath and push up on the glass. Then lift it up, turn it at an angle, and pull it out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Once you have the glass out, we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and just get underneath the trim right here. Kind of lift up on it. Then we're just going to go all the way across and pop it off. Once you have it released, we're going to lift up on it and then pull the front off so the locking tab on the front comes off. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old crisper frame trim next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the new trim on, you want to make sure this little hook is hooked on the bottom. When you put the trim on, you just want to hook that hook underneath the frame right here. Make sure it goes in between the frame and the little adjuster lever. You can roll it over and snap it in. Once you have it snapped in, we can put the glass back in. To put the glass in, you're just going to put it in at an angle and then set the back corners in. Then you want to support it from underneath while you set it down. You can push the drawers back in. Once you have those in, we can close the refrigerator doors, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.